Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting a studio which is located near Xinyi Anhe MRT and very close to Taipei 101. And in this studio you have your own private bathroom. It's on the second floor, and let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the front door. When you walk in, there is hangers that can hang your coats or bags. On the left hand side is the bathroom, and on the right hand side is the room, the bedroom. So this studio is, I really like the design of the studio. There are a lot of paintings on the wall, and there's a dining table, small dining table with two person, and on the brick wall there are some paintings and a lamp and a little bench. Right here is the couch, a clock, and a rug. Here's a double bed. It's a queen size double bed. And open wardrobe, window AC. Here's the window, a TV screen and some shelf. And over there, that is the fridge, the freezer, and a small fridge. Here's a kettle, water filter. Let's see from this angle. It's quite spacious. Yeah, let's go check out the bathroom. The bathroom is also a highlight of this studio. Here's the bathroom, and yeah, it's a Western style bathroom, so there's a division. And right here is the toilet. Here is a garbage and recycle bin. Very stylish, and a small washer. It's very stylish. A mirror, hangers, and there is windows here. Okay. Here's the shower head on top, and the shower head. Yeah, that's it for this room, the studio. Thank you.